Hi there, this is Parth and welcome to new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the screen burning in Android smartphone. And if you are using any Android smartphone, and if it is having an AMOLED panel or an OLED panel, then you might have faced this issue. So, what exactly is screen burning and what exactly happens? Also, and when how to prevent this kind of issue in our smartphone, that is we are going to discuss today. So let's first understand what is AMOLED screen and what is OLED screen. So generally AMOLED generally stands for an active matrix organic light emitting diode. So this kind of panels uses an sub-pixels. So it generally consists of an red, green, blue and white pixels. So whenever you are using this kind of panels, then what exactly happens is this kind of pixel just combines and it emits the lights, and it will combine makes in a particular image or video. So after an extended period of time, whenever you start using your smartphone, let's say you are using a smartphone for 2 years or so, then generally what happens is by using the continuous this kind of sub-pixels, the sub-pixel starts to decay, their deterioration starts, and whenever this deterioration starts, the light emitting capacity of that particular pixels, for an example, let's say your display's red subpixel is now started deteriorating and it started decaying. So whenever it will start decaying, then the intensity of the light they emit, they will reduce drastically. And whenever this kind of a situation happens, then the intensity of all the pixels as compared to that particular pixel will decrease. And whenever this happens, then you will see the difference in the light intensity and some kind of a spots in your display, which we call as a screen burning. So there can be a many of a reason. Some reason may be the poor quality of AMOLED screen. Generally this happens with respect to pixels. Let's say your smartphone display has this 4 or 5 kind of pixels. Generally in the most cases every AMOLED screen has this kind of a 4 or 5 kind of a pixel. So the durability of these pixels is varies. For an example, the red pixels is the most durable, so it is least likely to get burned out, and the blue pixel is very prone to this kind of a screen burning. So it will start decaying more fast as compared to red pixels. So there can be a many of reason to have this kind of situations. First of all, we have now seen many smartphones, even the budget smartphone, some smartphone comes with an AMOLED screen. So to do a cost cutting, some brands might employ a not that good quality of AMOLED screen when we compare to the high-end smartphones, and also it depends on our usage as well. For an example, if you use your smartphone mostly outdoors, and if you use it at the highest brightness level, which is most obvious because we are using it at outdoor, then what happens is this pixel will emit a more intensity of light, and it will be used more as compared to the indoor use. So whenever this happens, then the life of that particular pixel might get deteriorated sooner than we are expected. Now this was a thing about the screen burning in the smartphone, particularly in the AMOLED screen. Now what are the ways to prevent it? First of all, there is only way to prevent it for the short duration of time. What I mean is you can just delay the screen burning issue of your smartphone. Let's say your smartphone has a manufacturing defect and it has a poor quality of AMOLED screen, then using this kind of method you can just delay your smartphone screen burning, or you can reduce the visibility of this screen burning. It will not eventually stop, it will not completely stop any day, so keep in mind of that. First of all, first and foremost, simplest way to do this is to have an lower brightness. Have an optimum brightness whenever you are using a smartphone on outdoor and indoor. This generally reduces the chances of screen burning, because whenever we are using our screen at the highest brightness level, then these some pixels emit some more light, and more they emit light, more they will likely to burn out sooner. So this is a way. And another way of using in a particular AMOLED screen is you have to use the black wallpapers and launchers, and you can use also the dark mode to prevent this kind of issue. Because in the dark mode, generally what happens is all the pixels, generally most of the pixels except the black ones, completely stops working. So these pixels will be saved from the screen burning, and as well as they will get a more longer life than expected. There is an app also to find if your smartphone has a screen burning issue or not. I will put the link in the description to download an app. You can check whether your smartphone has these kind of issues or not. So these were the information regarding the screen burning in the smartphone. I hope you find this information helpful, and if you find this helpful, then do share, like and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.